Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use ancient tomes in RLCraft. These special books are incredibly useful for pushing your gear beyond its normal limits. They allow you to upgrade existing max-level enchantments by one additional tier. To use an ancient tome, simply hold the item you wish to enchant in your main hand and the tome itself in your offhand. Then, right-click, and the enchantment will be applied, consuming the tome. Ancient tomes are a rare and valuable find, as they cannot be crafted. Your best bet for acquiring them is by exploring the world and looting chests. Look for them in various dungeons and villages, or as rewards from bountiful quests. For a greater chance at these powerful items, focus your efforts on more challenging structures, such as mega battle towers and doom-like dungeons, where they are more commonly found. Once you have an ancient tome, applying it is straightforward. For instance, an Unbreaking 3 enchantment can become Unbreaking 4, or Sharpness 5 can be upgraded to Sharpness 6. Remember, the item must already have the maximum vanilla level of that specific enchantment for the tome to work. Just hold the item and the tome as described, and you'll see your enchantment level increase by 1. While ancient tomes are powerful, it's important to consider their overall value. They add 1 level to vanilla enchantments, but RLCraft also features advanced and supreme enchantment variants. These higher-tier enchantments often offer significantly greater benefits than a single level increase from an ancient tome. Always weigh whether using a tome is the best strategic choice for your current gear, or if pursuing an advanced or supreme enchantment would be more impactful.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.